We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri. This is a 1970 Chevelle 454 4-speed killer car. Awesome power, power four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, functioning cowl, air induction hood, big fat sway bars in the front and back, upper and lower for tubular A-arms. Just a killer vehicle. Mirror-like reflection on the paint. Just a cool car. Healthy big block. Love the red interior, great contrast. Does have the seat belts retractable in the front. Just nicely done. Like I said, it's got a mirror-like reflection on this paint. Even the clock works on this. So. Cowl Induction, especially when it works. A lot of people put the Cowl Induction hood on and it doesn't even work. Killer color combination. Love this black on red. Bucket seat, center console. Just a really cool car. American icon. Don't get much better than a 1970 Chevelle. Big black 4-speed. That cowl open up, let it breathe. Stuck behind everybody today, Greg. Please like, share the video, leave us your feedback. Please subscribe to the channel. We have quite a few other vehicles for sale. Check them out at www.westportautocenter.com. We're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis, Missouri. 3 climate-controlled warehouses full of cars. Stop by anytime. Give us your feedback again on the video. Give us suggestions for cars you'd like us to do. We'll do our best to accommodate. back of that trash can. Gorgeous day here in February. 50-something degrees. We'll take it.